Welcome to Sanuka TV. Today I'm going to show you how to add end screen on your videos. Before you continue, make sure you subscribe our channel so that you support us and get more videos like this in the future. Now, let us get started. First of all, you have to log in to Chrome to access your YouTube channel desktop site. After entering in your YouTube channel desktop site in Chrome, you have to find a content button. Content. Enter your contents here. After finding your content, now you have to choose the video which you want on which you want to put your end screen. Let's say, let me choose this one. Let me choose this one. Let me choose this one. You click here. After clicking there, here is the general setting of your video. This is the general setting of my video. Then scroll to right hand side of your video. Here you will see an end screen button. Touch there. End screen button. Touch there. Now here is where I'm going to set my end screen. Here is where I'm going to set my end screen. My end screen will be set here. Now, if you look careful, you will see now you have to choose how your end screen will appear. How your end screen will appear. First here you see there is one video and one is subscribe. Here, if you click this in your video, when your video is ending, there will appear one video, an end screen of one video, and one subscribe button. If you go next there, you see if you choose one playlist and one subscribe button, then when your video is ending, there will appear one playlist and one subscribe button. And if you come here down, you will see one video and one subscribe. When your video is ending, if you click this, means that when your video is ending, there will appear one video and one subscribe button. And here you see one video plus one playlist. If you choose this one, means there will appear one video and one playlist when your video is ending. When your video is ending. Now, let me choose one video and one subscribe button. This one. Now, see here. This is my video. Now, subscribe button will appear plus one video. Now, you have to choose which kind of video you want to put it there. If you see here, there is most recent upload, meaning that when this video is ending, the most recent uploaded video in your channel will come here so that the viewer can be convinced to watch it. The next here is the best video, the best for viewer, meaning that if you choose this option, the video which will appear here when your video is ending will be the video from your channel which have got a large number of viewers. And if you come here in the last option, choose a specific video, means you will be directed to your content and choose the video that you want to appear at the end of that video. Let me choose this one here. If you see here specific video, I've chosen this one. Then this is the video which will appear at the end of my video. Then after choosing that one, you have to come here down and set when do you want your end screen, at which time do you want your end screen to appear. Most of the time we choose our end screen to appear 5 to 10 seconds before our video is ending. Then if you come here, you see if you come here you wanna see my video will end. My video is 3 minutes and 4 seconds long. Then let me choose where this one here, 3 minutes. Then my end screen will appear at the 30 minutes, at the 30 minute before my video is ending. Therefore, my end screen will appear 4 seconds before my video is ending. After choosing there, then you have to come and save your setting. Save your setting. Now, my setting has been saved. Now, if you want to make to see, if you want to inspect if your setting has been gone successful, now come to YouTube. Come to YouTube to see if your setting has been successful saved. Come to YouTube. I've got many channels, don't get scared. Come to YouTube. Let me find my contents here. Let me find that video. This one here. Let me take it like this. We have to see where, we have to see if our setting was successful saved. Let's see here. You see, few seconds before our video is ending, the end screen has appeared. What is the importance of end screen? The end screen will help your viewers, will convince your viewers to continue watching more videos in your YouTube channel. This will help to increase your watch hours as well as subscribers. Will help to increase your watch hours as well as subscribers count. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you.